Hi everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of gut health and its incredible impact on weight loss. You might be surprised to learn that your gut, home to trillions of bacteria, plays a much bigger role in your overall health than you think. We often focus on calories in versus calories out when it comes to weight management. However, emerging research points to the crucial role of our gut microbiome in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. This complex ecosystem within us can influence everything from metabolism to cravings. Taking care of your gut health isn't just about improving digestion, it's about unlocking your body's full potential for weight loss and overall well-being. Ready to discover how to harness the power of your gut? Let's get started. Let's talk about your gut microbiome, a bustling community of trillions of bacteria residing in your intestines. These microorganisms are not just passive residents, they actively interact with your body in numerous ways. These tiny organisms, both good and bad, play a significant role in your health, including your weight. The balance between these bacteria can influence how your body processes food, stores fat, and even how you feel on a daily basis. Think of your gut microbiome as a delicate ecosystem. Just like a forest or a coral reef, it thrives on diversity and balance. When this ecosystem is in harmony, it supports your overall well-being. When balanced, with beneficial bacteria thriving, it helps regulate your metabolism, extract energy from food efficiently, and even control your appetite. This means that a healthy gut can make it easier for you to maintain or achieve a healthy weight. However, an imbalance, often caused by poor diet or lifestyle choices, can lead to weight gain. Consuming too much processed food, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt this balance, allowing harmful bacteria to flourish. Studies show that people with a diverse and balanced gut microbiome tend to have a healthier weight compared to those with less diversity. This diversity is crucial because different bacteria perform different functions, and a varied microbiome can adapt better to changes in diet and environment. This is because beneficial bacteria help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity, all of which are crucial for weight management. When your blood sugar levels are stable, you're less likely to experience cravings and energy crashes. So, how can you support a healthy gut microbiome for weight loss? The key is to make choices that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria while minimizing factors that harm them. The answer lies in nourishing your gut with the right foods and lifestyle choices. Incorporate plenty of fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, and whole grains into your diet. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi are also excellent for promoting a healthy gut. Additionally, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and stress management are essential for maintaining a balanced microbiome. By making these changes, you can support your gut health and in turn your waistline. You've probably heard of probiotics, often touted as good bacteria for your gut, but what exactly are they, and how can they help with weight loss? Probiotics are live microorganisms that, when consumed in adequate amounts, provide health benefits by supporting a balanced gut microbiome. They act like tiny helpers, working to crowd out harmful bacteria and promote the growth of beneficial ones. Research suggests that certain probiotic strains may help with weight management by improving insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation in the gut, and even influencing appetite-regulating hormones. While more research is needed to fully understand the specific effects of probiotics on weight loss, incorporating them into your diet can contribute to a healthier gut, which in turn can support your weight management goals. Looking for a delicious and natural way to boost your gut health and support weight loss? You're in luck. There are numerous foods that can help you achieve this goal, and they are not only nutritious but also incredibly tasty. Look no further than fermented foods. These foods have been consumed for centuries across different cultures and for good reason. They are not only a staple in many traditional diets but also a powerhouse of health benefits. These tangy treats are packed with probiotics and other beneficial compounds that can do wonders for your gut microbiome. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for you, especially your digestive system. They help balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut, which is essential for maintaining overall health. Fermented foods are created through a process of lactofermentation, where natural bacteria break down sugars and starches, producing lactic acid. This process not only enhances the flavor and texture of the food, but also increases its nutritional value. This process not only preserves the food but also creates an environment where beneficial bacteria thrive. These beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, can help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. From yogurt and kefir to sauerkraut and kimchi, there's a world of fermented foods to explore. Each of these foods offers unique flavors and textures, making it easy to find something that suits your taste preferences. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet can introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut, improve digestion, and support a healthy weight. Fermented foods can be enjoyed in many different ways, whether as a side dish, a snack, or even as part of a main meal. In addition to probiotics, fermented foods are also rich in enzymes, vitamins, and other nutrients that contribute to overall health. Enzymes help break down food in your digestive system, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients. Vitamins and minerals found in fermented foods can support various bodily functions, from energy production to immune defense. So, next time you're looking for a gut-friendly snack or meal addition, reach for something fermented. Whether it's a tangy yogurt parfait for breakfast, a refreshing glass of kombucha in the afternoon, or a side of kimchi with dinner, fermented foods can easily become a delicious and nutritious part of your daily routine. Did you know that your gut and brain are in constant communication? This connection is more profound than most people realize. It's not just about digestion or mental health in isolation, it's about how these two critical systems interact and influence each other every single day. This fascinating connection, known as the gut-brain axis, plays a significant role in your overall health, including your weight. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system that links the emotional and cognitive centers of the brain with peripheral intestinal functions. This means that your gut health can affect your mental state, and your mental state can affect your gut health. The gut-brain axis involves a complex network of nerves, hormones, and other signaling pathways that allow your gut and brain to communicate. This network includes the vagus nerve, which is one of the largest nerves connecting your gut and brain. It also involves the enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain, which governs the function of the gastrointestinal system. This means that what happens in your gut can directly influence your brain and vice versa. For instance, if you experience digestive issues, it can lead to feelings of anxiety or depression. Conversely, if you're feeling stressed or anxious, it can cause or exacerbate digestive problems. This bidirectional communication is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. For example, an imbalance in your gut microbiome can send signals to your brain that may impact your mood, stress levels, and even your food cravings. The gut microbiome consists of trillions of microorganisms that live in your digestive tract. These microorganisms play a vital role in digesting food, producing vitamins, and protecting against harmful bacteria. When the balance of these microorganisms is disrupted, it can lead to various health issues, including mental health disorders. On the other hand, stress and anxiety can also affect your gut health, leading to digestive issues and an imbalance in your microbiome. Chronic stress can alter the gut's environment, making it more susceptible to harmful bacteria and less hospitable to beneficial ones. This can result in a vicious cycle where poor gut health exacerbates stress and vice versa. By nourishing your gut with probiotic-rich foods, managing stress levels, and getting enough sleep, you can create a more balanced and harmonious gut-brain connection. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help restore the natural balance of the gut microbiome. Incorporating foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods into your diet can be a great way to boost your gut health. You can support a healthy gut-brain connection, which in turn can positively impact your weight and overall well-being. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices like meditation can also contribute to a healthier gut-brain axis. By taking care of both your gut and your brain, you can achieve a more balanced, healthier, and happier life. Section 6. Swap, don't stop. Easy food swaps for a healthier gut. Improving your gut health doesn't require a complete dietary overhaul. Start by making simple food swaps to incorporate more gut-friendly options into your daily routine. Instead of sugary cereals, start your day with overnight oats with yogurt and berries or scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Swap your afternoon chips and cookies for a handful of almonds or walnuts or vegetable sticks with hummus. Instead of sugary drinks, choose water with lemon or cucumber slices or unsweetened herbal tea. These simple swaps can make a big difference in the long run, providing your gut with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 7, my top picks: probiotic and fermented food recommendations. Navigating the world of probiotics and fermented foods can be overwhelming. Here are my top picks for readily available and delicious options to get you started. Probiotics, product name and brand. Brief description of the product, its benefits, and why you recommend it. Product name and brand. Brief description of the product, its benefits, and why you recommend it. Fermented foods, product name and brand. Brief description of the product, its flavor profile, and why you recommend it. Product name and brand. Brief description of the product, its flavor profile, and why you recommend it. Remember to check the labels and choose products with live and active cultures for optimal benefits. Section 8. Take charge of your gut, take charge of your health. Your gut health is intrinsically linked to your overall health and well-being, including your weight. By making conscious choices to nourish your gut with probiotic-rich foods, manage stress, and prioritize sleep, you can unlock your body's full potential for weight loss and optimal health. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 gut-friendly habits into your routine and gradually build from there. Your gut will thank you. Section 9. Join the gut revolution. I'm so excited to share my passion for gut health with you. What are your favorite ways to support your gut? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more gut health tips and tricks. Let's embark on this journey to a healthier gut together.